I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essential gear and entering the Nether now. Put armor on, a good sword, and 1632 food so you won't panic. Once done, light your portal and step through. Make sure you set a temporary spawn point before pushing deeper. This saves time if you die. Also, convert any overworld coordinates by dividing X and Z by 8 to target a search area. This gives you a focused zone to explore instead of wandering aimlessly. You'll now sweep the Nether methodically. Once done with portal setup, pick a straight axis and run 400 to 800 blocks while scanning left and right. This reduces overlap and covers ground fast. Make sure to zigzag every 50-100 blocks so you don't miss structures hidden by terrain. You'll spot bastions by their large nether brick architecture and piglin activity. Pause at safe vantage points, use ranged attacks if needed, and mark portal coordinates before approaching so you can retreat quickly. You finish by entering the bastion tactically and prioritizing safe looting. Once inside, move slowly, use your shield, and take out piglins from range before opening main chests. Disengage if overwhelmed and use blocks to create choke points. Make sure to collect piglin gold and treasure chests quickly, then exit the same way you entered. If things go wrong, get lost or swarmed, return to your saved portal coordinates, backtrack along your search axis, and don't hesitate to abandon loot to survive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.